guys, this is Star with Little Circling. I had to share the cutest little waterfall on this walk I'm doing. There's a bunch of waterfalls here actually, but this is a new one for this area. So the rain has been coming more, so just breathe in the beautiful water energy. Breathe in, relax, and then breathe out all the stress. Just soak in this beautiful cleansing weather. There's another one over on this side. Beautiful flowing energy. It helps your chakras flow. Helps to cleanse your auric body. Just be in nature with me, and hope it helps you de-stress a little. Oh, that's cute. There's a little bird. Sounds like a baby bird. Oh. Oh. I don't know where it is. Hi, cutie. I'm going to end the video, but replay as much as you want. Get out in nature if you can yourself. Oh, there's... I didn't even notice that squirrel right there. Hi. And I'll see you in another video soon.